you ready? Wait for it.
स्वागत है आपका इस साल के सबसे बड़े सेलिब्रेशन में Zoom Holy Fest 2019.
Hello.
What is this?
You can't be starting without having this drink.
ठंडाई है.
It's a tradition. Just go for it. It's a drink.
Sure it's only ठंडाई.
Yeah, that we'll figure out later. Go for it anyway.
Cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
अच्छा. Anyway, इस बार का Zoom Holy Fest is going to be bigger and better than ever before.
Obvio, because of us.
No, क्योंकि इस बार हमारे साथ होली खेलने वाले हैं the best of Bollywood.
And all of these Bollywood hotties are going to move to the beats of the biggest rapper in Bollywood, Badshah. Along with Badshah is Arjun Kanungo, Jaslene Royale and Aastha Gill, who will be performing live for us right here, right now at the Zoom Holy Fest 2019. And now it's very important to thank our sponsors.
Loyalty partner Myntra Insider, OTT partner MX Player, associate sponsor Star Sports, Skagen Denmark IOCL, denim partner Spiker, color partner Cock brand Rang Sache Hain, time out partner KF Radler.
Outdoor partner Bright Outdoor, romance partner Ishq FM, radio partner Radio Mirchi, ticketing partner Book My Show, digital cinema partner UFO.
Alright, अब और इंतजार नहीं हो रहा. Let's go and play Holi.
Oh, let's do this. Listen, और ठंडाई लेते हैं. Let's go. Promised them, this year Zoom Holy Fest is bigger, better and grander, and the venue where we are celebrating this year matches all of these objectives. We are celebrating at Taj Lands in Bandra. Right now we're at the red carpet here where the celebrities are going to be coming. They're going to be having their Insta moments and all of that.
और मैं एक और बात बता दूं, if the guests are lucky, they'll get to click a picture at the photo booth with their favorite celebrities. Now that is something, right?
That is exciting though.
I think और बहुत बातें हो गई. अब जरा ऑडियंस को दिखाते हैं कि कितना मजा आ रहा है. Can you hear the music?
Absolutely.
Bam. Let's go, and there they are.
3, 2, 1, hit it! Are you ready to go crazy? Can you make some noise for Katrina Kaif?
Happy Holi, everyone! Are you having a good time?
क्या बोल रही है पब्लिक?
Happy Holi.
So gently, that's like a dessert.
हैप्पी होली. सीधा उठ के नीचे आ गए थे, अब होली शुरू हो गई है.
Happy Holi to you and all the people watching Zoom.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
आपको भी हैप्पी होली टू यू। होली है और जरा सा भी रंग नहीं है तो थोड़ा इट्स ओके, एनीथिंग ऑन यू विल लुक प्रिटी।
होली का रंग बरसे जैसे होली है, होली का रंग बरसे, अलग अलग रंग, अलग अलग कलर, अलग अलग फेस्टिवल, अलग अलग लोग, अलग अलग करे मजे। और बम्बई नंबर 70 से सबको सलाम।
नारकली इसको चलिए, हैप्पी होली, हैप्पी होली।
What is your best and favorite Holi memory?
I'll make new memories today.
ना टीचर होते थे, बड़ा पनिश करते थे, तो होली के दिन हमने उनको कहा कि बुरा ना मानो, होली तोड़ 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 नहीं बहुत सारा रंग लगाया, मतलब या दैट्स इट।
I think we all do the same thing. We just put the color and throw it on people. And then like, no, don't.
When I came back home, absolutely drenched in my mate, got scared.
यार once on a Holi I had bhang and it was my first time of having bhang, and then I couldn't control myself and I thought something's happening to me and I ended up in a hospital. That was my craziest memory.
When I was 14, well, going on the streets and putting color at people or waiting and ambushing somebody to put color. Over and above that, can't say it on camera.
Hide in my balcony and throw water balloons. It sounds बहुत lame sound करता है, लेकिन बच्चे वाली हरकतें की है यार, ये तो ट्रेडिशन है फुग्गे फेंकने।
Well, honestly, Holi is the one day you can be as dirty as you want officially. So it's the best day of the year for me.
बलून्स में पानी डाल के किसी के ऊपर, मतलब वो तो मैंने बहुत कई बार किया। जब मैं बैंगलोर में था, बहुत बार किया।
Boot polish.
Yeah, I've done that, yeah.
किसी के ऊपर बिना पूछे बहुत सारा पानी या रंग फेंक देना।
कभी पड़ी है जोर से उसके लिए?
हाँ, मुझे बहुत पड़ी है। I can't share it with you. It's not legal.
Oh, I love that.
My holy memory involves other people, so I'd rather not say it.
मैंने रंग फेंके, लोगों के ऊपर रंग मारे, अब मैं थोड़ा सा तमीजदार हो गया हूँ। पीछे लोग भागे, रुक मैं तेरे को देखता हूँ, रुक मैं तेरे को देखता हूँ।
I drank a lot of water. And then I had like 3 burgers and I slept for 2 days after.
तो उस समय वो सिल्वर वाला कलर बहुत नया नया चला था एंड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड हैड गॉट इट, उसकी जेब से चुराया और लगाया और इसी पे लगा दिया वापस। So that was the naughtiest thing I've done.
I used to only play with water and little color and all.
We used to make a bucket, put eggs, put haldi, waldi, all the things that leave a stain, and mix it, and then take in the pitchkari.
I think 3 years back, I was on my terrace and so I was hitting people with the water balloon. I got caught. Someone saw me doing it. I was like, "Purana mara holi."
But एक चीज जो मिसिंग राइट नाउ इन बॉम्बे, जो दिल्ली के छोले कुलचे होते हैं मिर्ची के साथ, oh my god, that is something I'm really missing right now.
I can't say it on national television, but I guess I have jumped into the tank of my building, the water tank of my building, with all my color in it. And I got rogered by my father for doing that. So I think that's the biggest and the most fileless thing I've done.
Whose performance are you looking forward to?
Actually, बादशाह दोस्त भी है, and I really enjoy his music, so I'm going to watch him.
Well, I'm really excited about Bacha because he's a good friend of mine, and I want to see him perform. The energy is going to be amazing. Zoom parties are always fabulous. And we're looking forward for Bacha and the entire gang.
I'm so excited. Other than Arjun, I'm excited to see Bacha.
All three, I would say. I love Jasleen. I love Bacha also. Yeah. I'm really excited.
Right, I think I'm a big Badshah fan, so probably him, yeah.
Bacha, I'm looking for Bacha. A lot of people are looking forward to Bacha's performance, you know.
I'm very proud of Katrina coming for this Zoom festival. She is one of my very good known person, and I wish all the best for her future films.
I'm excited for Bacha. I'm a huge Bacha fan, so I'm looking forward to his performance. When I saw the invite, I was like, Bacha's performance, I was like, sold there only. I would say Bacha.
Personally, Bacha, I'm a big fan.
I'm
I'm also looking forward to Nazi. Yeah.
Arjun. I love Arjun songs also. Yeah. होली के रंग में हूँ तो मैं तो खुद ही यहाँ पे नाच कूद रहा हूँ, खुद ही परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को किसी को नहीं. Of course I love music. आज तो सबके गानों पे नाचना है मुझे.
Which Bollywood actor do I want to play Holi with? I don't know. Everybody. Who are my options? Give me options. Give me a multiple choice.
So
many.
Yeah. So I would say Deepika, Katrina, Kareena, and Anushka.
See, I would say Katrina because she's here. But Deepika is my all-time love. You know that.
And now can we talk about something very sexy, curvy, flexible? Just so flexible that it just curves and bends right in bed.
एक मिनट ज़्यादा excite होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because ये अपनी jeans के बारे में बात कर रहा है. Why do you have to talk about everything with a double meaning?
True that, but then I'm talking about my Spiker gym jeans. Are you seeing this?
Gym jeans. I mean, gym में jeans कौन पहनता है?
I understand your ignorance, but then gym jeans is gym jeans is something so flexible, stretchable. It's the best thing that has happened to jeans since jeans.
Really?
Sakshma, I should tell you and everybody there that Spiker Gym Jeans is also our denim partner at Zoom Holi Fest 2019. Sakshma, give me one.
There are a lot of fashion trends that keep happening. Latest fashion trend is gym jeans. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say gym jeans?
Just comfort, I guess, but I don't know much about this trend just yet.
Some jeans you wear to the gym. That's what I'm thinking.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर तुम जिम जा रहे हो तो you cannot wear jeans. No, come on. How can you wear jeans when you're going to a gym?
Tell me one thing that you thought you would never be able to do wearing jeans.
Jogging?
I can never do squats wearing jeans, right?
Never ever. I cannot even imagine doing that. No.
Push-ups.
Workout, no?
Workout, yeah, or probably, especially, what do you call it? Sit-ups.
Yeah, maybe workout, dancing.
Jeans to the gym? Never.
Split. A split, basically like workout and stuff, right?
You can wear anything, and if you're confident and comfortable and jungly enough, you will be able to do anything.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 30 seconds, the Spiker Muscle Contest. The Spiker Mr. Muscular Award goes to this man.
He can clearly do everything, but then can I make life a little easier for you by giving you my Spiker Gym Jeans? Spiker Gym Jeans.
Spiker jeans is gym jeans is something which is very comfortable and you can go to the gym and do whatever you want in it. It's also very good in bed. Just saying, very flexible. Flexible.
Listen, Sakshma, I need to go give my friend some gauze, okay?
Right now?
Yeah. You leave the cake.
Are you mad?
I'm coming. Bye.
God. Anyway, जब तक मैं इसे वापस लेके आती हूँ, let's just take a small break. आप कहीं मत जाइएगा because we'll be back with a lot more fun at the Zoom Holi Fest 2019. So stay tuned.
The Voice, Jasleen Royale. And now, ladies and gentlemen, हमारा performer Fukre returns, Veere the Wedding, Kesari और Kali Boy में गाती हुई lyricists, music composers. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं कसम खाता हूँ दोपहर 4 के बाद मैं anchoring छोड़ दूंगा if you don't redefine energy today. Ladies and gentlemen, The Voice, Jasleen Royale. Our next performer at the Zoom Holi Fest 2019, one of India's leading rappers. From the underground scene, you saw him at Chennai Express. His song Bombay Soul has been trending on YouTube. I present to you Encore! gotta call him stage. This man on digital has crossed more than 1,000 million views. He looks like a movie star, sings like one of the finest singers on मैं बोलता हूँ आपसे जब ये आएगा स्टेज पे आपके दिल और दिमाग को सिर्फ एक ही ज़बान आएगी वो ये है अर्जुन कांडोंगो. Bindas karo, nina raho, life is short. Live life king size, queen size. Live life the Zoom TV way. And give it up for the king of DJs, the Bop, the Godfather, DJ Attar.
Well, I think Renal कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्साइट हो गया है. वो गया था अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अभी तक वापस नहीं आया. So I think we'll start without him. Meanwhile, I'm here at the counter of Skagen Watches. They have beautiful watches.
Hello.
Oh, hello. You're late.
Sorry.
I think you need this watch more than me, so you can be on time next time.
My God, I actually quite love it.
It's lovely, I know.
You know what? Now I can be on time and actually look good while wearing it.
Which you don't otherwise, so yeah, you need the watch.
Now I'll tell you something. Can I tell them that Skagen Denmark is also our associate sponsor at Zoom Holy Fest 2019?
I think we should add it to our shopping list after this.
That's true. Now we'll also figure out which are the celebrities that will come to this counter and then win Skagen watches.
The lucky
so you stay
ones.
tuned. Yeah. I also want to win. I'll get one.
No, you won't. Let's go.
What is that one holy color that suits your personality the most out of red and orange?
Pink.
No, out of red and orange you have to choose.
Orange. Orange.
Green.
Green.
Red hot.
Red hot.
Orange. What about you?
I like this blue.
Red or blue?
Both.
Safest color what I really find is blue. Blue color, yeah.
Some lucky color.
Black.
Black. Black is a lucky color.
Yeah, it's got all the colors. So.
Why orange?
Because I thought of it first.
Orange is from Skagen for you. Holy and winning stuff. How much better can this get?
I'm waiting for it to get even better now.
So we're gonna give you one Skagen watch, which is red hot, just like you.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Colors ka त्योहार है. We have something very special for you. We have a gift from you from Skagen Watches. So this is for you, and I hope you like it. I hope you like it.
It's a gift है. मेरे को लगा छीन के भागना है. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
What if I ask you to choose between these colors out here? The blue. So I think going by the theme of the event, I should give it to the bright color yellow, no?
I think I'm cool blue. Yeah.
Everybody here is cool blue, man.
Hot तो नहीं लग रहा हूँ मैं.
You can be red hot. Today's just not the day. Like this blue. Like this blue. That's for Richa because she says she's a cool blue person.
Like जब fiery होना होता है तो fiery, जब calm होना होता है तो calm.
Very fiery in all your movies up till now. Like Pataka, you were a Pataka, and even now she's like a. I've said it also.
Yeah, she's been
female. Yeah, she's a female superhero.
She is absolutely, no doubt, on and off the screen.
I think cool blue is right.
Cool blue. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna give you this watch, a Skagen watch, in a cool blue color. So Bacha's in the house. I don't want to keep him waiting anymore because everybody inside is waiting for his performance. Bacha, go kill it. Happy Holi, and thank you for coming to the Zoom Holi Fest.
Thank you. Happy Holi to everyone watching Zoom. Yeah, happy Holi to you.
One special thing we have to give Bacha. Skagen watch, a color just as colorful as him. This is for you, a little token of love.
Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you the original Gully Boy, Nazy! Oh, क्या हो रही है public?
चले सारे करने को बच्चे मिली बस मैंने लिख लिरिकली बच्चों के प्रकार एक नकली रैपर ढूंढ 25,000 मिले तुझे करते हुए वही 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 नया कुछ ना करे वही 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 दारू पी के सुता के वही 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 4 बोतल 8 बोतल वही 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 क्या करूं मैं थक चुका सुन चुका पक चुका मत हटा बेटा चल वट 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 चल तेरे फास्ट फास्ट देसी हिप हॉप तेरे बस की बात नहीं, सुर के साथ नहीं तेरा वास्ता, शब्दकोश से दूर भागता तू है लापता, बस तू जानता बेचना गाने जिस पे पूरा देश नाचता। मेरा काम लोगों को सच्चाई पे नचाने का, आफतों मचाया अब तहलका लेके आने का। मेरा काम लोगों को सच्चाई पे नचाने का, आफतों मचाया अब तहलका लेके आने का।
पब्लिक आवाज तो करो जरा एक बार।
Happy Holi,
फेस पे नहीं यार, मैं रैश वैश पड़ जाता है, मैं बहुत रिसर्च करके फेस पे कुछ भी लगाती हूँ।
Listen, I know, calm down. These are from Core Colors. They're 100% organic and non-toxic.
Really?
So nothing will happen to your त्वचा.
थोड़ा आप भी लगा लो। Happy Holi!
Happy Holi. Listen, by the way, Core Colors are also our color partner at Zoom Holi Fest 2019.
तभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कैसे ये सारी एक्ट्रेसेस अपने फेस पे सबको रंग लगाने दे रही है, because it is organic and no side effects at all.
Absolutely. Why do you think it's important to play with organic colors?
We need to be protective about our Mother Earth. This is one of the best ways to do it.
It is really a step forward in sustainability because it's just nice to be more aware and have fun while being aware.
It's important for the environment. It's easier to remove, so then you don't have to use so much water to kind of remove it.
It's just better, like lesser chemicals, and like you have to take care of each other and not like just trouble them and like just.
Because now the celebration has become huge. Now everybody is playing, so it's better that you play with something safer.
It doesn't use products which are harmful to the nature and to the skin.
इस पार्टी में ऑर्गेनिक कलर्स है, मगर पूरे इंडिया में ऑर्गेनिक कलर्स शायद नहीं मिल पाएंगे। बट उन और जो बाकी कलर्स मिलते हैं उसमें एक सारे केमिकल्स है वगैरह वगैरह हैं, तो प्ले सेफ।
Who, according to you, is the most colorful personality of Bollywood? किसके रंग सबसे सच्चे हैं?
I think colorful में the first name that pops up is Ranveer Singh. I don't think there's anybody more colorful about personality.
That's a very unanimous.
And also clothes.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer, I thought of Ranveer only.
Ranveer Singh.
No doubt.
रणवीर सिंह, मतलब और
क्योंकि उनके कपड़े बहुत कलरफुल होते हैं ऑफ कोर्स।
Priyanka Chopra.
That's a different answer because everybody is saying Ranveer Singh.
Oh, Ranveer Singh. Yeah, he is.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh.
Oh, yeah, man, I love him.
Ranveer Singh
I love him.
Colorful. I think Salman Khan.
सलमान खान?
हाँ जी।
अभी हम आपको बना देते हैं ऐसे।
Why is it important to play Holi with organic color?
Yeah, no, organic color is nice. See, the whole point is to color people, not to ruin their lives. So let's just color people. It's good for the planet. I mean, and we all live in this planet. We want this planet to survive, so we can survive. I think it's so yeah.
Because when you have a shoot next day, you need to play with them, man.
अगर आप harmful colors लगाते हो, it goes into your skin and it can cause problem also. Not physically, but inside also.
I think most of the times after Holi, when you don't play with organic colors, the colors stay on. You get some, allergies or something or the other. It's always safer to play with natural colors, which is actually the roots of Holi. Holi was always meant to be played with natural colors.
This is MC Ben and RJ Sudhakar, MC Slot. ये गाना मेरे मापुल मेरे भाई लोग के लिए सीधे धारावी से Psych on the beat.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you MC Ben!
Yeah, this is MC Ben and RJ Sudhakar, MC Slot. ये गाना मेरे मापुल मेरे भाई लोग के लिए सीधे धारावी से Psych on the beat. बचपन से हम तक साथ है हरदम, रोटी के साथ हम बांटते हर गम. 90s का वाइब और स्टाइल है देसी, पक्के हैं जैसे हम काशी और बलगम. भाई से बढ़कर है प्यार, सच्चा दोस्त सच्चा यार. Brother from another mother है, छोटे तू करके तो देख जरा वो. हाँ बोल दे Zoom होली फेस्ट वाले।
विवो IPL आ रहा है, उसमें फर्स्ट मैच उसका 23 मार्च को है। RCB which is विराट कोहली's team versus CSK which is MS Dhoni's team. Which team is बादशाह rooting for?
विराट कोहली for life.
विराट
विराट
कोहली के बड़े फैंस हैं
दिल्ली
आप।
का लड़का यार हमारे।
Vivo IPL Star Sports. Lights, camera, action!
Vivo IPL is coming up. Any team that you are really like rooting for?
Bangalore. Do you know which teams are battling against each other?
It's Chennai Super Kings with Royal Challengers Bangalore.
That's absolutely correct. I want you all to watch the match. Are you all cricket fans?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Which one are you rooting for?
क्योंकि मैं बेंगलोर से हूँ तो मैं हमेशा बेंगलोर को ही सपोर्ट करूँगा।
Do you know who it's against?
Virat versus Dhoni.
Sakshma, I think we have fulfilled our promise. Zoom Holi Fest 2019 has been the biggest, the best and the grandest ever.
You're absolutely right. इतना crowd, इतनी excitement, इतने अच्छे performances. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया and I hope the audience enjoyed just as much as we did.
You know, today has been so good. I have no idea how we're going to top this next year, but we love a good challenge, don't we?
Absolutely. हम अगले साल फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक do take very good care of yourself. And yes, अगर आज आपसे कोई बुरा भला बोल दे तो माइंड मत करना क्योंकि बुरा ना मानो होली है.